Hey everybody, welcome back with a new video. Now before we begin, make sure to check out my latest short film Energy using the link in the description. Anyway, here's what's new in Hitfilm Pro 9. So since you guys really liked the previous video about Hitfilm Pro version 8, I decided to make another one showcasing the new features in Hitfilm Pro version 9. Do keep in mind that this video was created before the release to the general public, so some things might be a little different in the actual release. Let's start with an improved exporting workspace, which I think that the Effects Home did a phenomenal job on. For example, Hitfilm Pro can now export in the background, which enables users to keep on editing while some tasks are exporting. Now this has been really useful during the production of Energy because I could actually export some VFX test shots while I could keep on editing some other pieces. Also, the Exports tab at the top of your screen now displays the amount of tasks in the export queue. You can now add composite shots and the editor timeline to the export queue directly from inside the exporting workspace, which makes choosing what to export quite a lot easier. An export view is also added, which means that you can now see what is being exported in real time. The difference between user-created export presets and built-in ones is clarified now, which means that you have two separate folders instead of your custom presets between the built-in ones. These few changes to the exporting workspace have really helped me during the production of Energy, and I think that these new features and changes are really useful. Another change is that the proction function has been renamed to pre-render, which makes sense, and it also makes its function more clear to some newer users. The interface tabs have also been altered slightly so that navigating through the workspaces is a little bit easier. Also, a change that I find particularly useful is that when you double-click the expansion arrow in the Effects tab, it doesn't open the import dialog anymore. I've had it happen quite a lot of times that I opened the wrong folder and wanted to close it again quickly, but that opened up the import dialog, and this does not happen anymore. If you do want to access the import dialog, you can simply right-click the expansion arrow and choose import there. Now the last fix is that the compositing timeline scrolls if you need to move something up or down on the compositing timeline. So that was a quick overview of some of the additions and fixes in the new Hitfilm Pro version 9. This was not everything. If you want to see all of the changes, you can pause right now. And that was it for this video. I hope it was useful for you. If it was, leave a like, leave a comment down in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time with a new video. Bye-bye.
Hi there, thanks for watching. Click here to see my latest video, click here to see a highlighted one, and click here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.